Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today is going to be day 3 of the house vlogs. Today we have the flooring guy coming by. He's about to rip up all the flooring. And then Monday, Nita's best friend's husband will be coming to install our recessed lighting and doing the electrical stuff. That's what we're about to be getting into today. So let's head out there. I think I'm probably going to take the FD. This will be the FD's first time being at the house. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna drive the FDs today. I haven't drove it in a couple days just because I've been doing so much of the house stuff and getting all that situated. Let's jump in the FD. Well, first let's move some stuff around and then we'll jump in the FD and let's go to the house. See y'all in a second. Alright, so just getting here to the house right now. I got them all situated inside. They're in there right now. Getting ready to cap the wiring off that, you know, we ripped down from the ceiling and stuff. So yeah, they're about to cap all this off. That way we can turn the power back on. It's freezing in here. Hella cold. So that's all it takes to take off base? All right, never mind. I got it. I'm gonna pull the floor up and I'll take the bases off for y'all.
Ain't making no money here no more. We're gonna have to fucking get you out of here.
Hey, I'm about to learn. My next house I'm doing myself. Here we go. I'm learning now, baby. Y'all might not see him tomorrow. My girl redid all the walls and stuff up in here. Went over here with 2 coats. And today she's gonna be just hitting this side one more time. And then that'll be all good to go. Kinda need to get in here a little bit better too though. Just still see some yellow, so I need to get in there with the paintbrush. And then I'm trying to find somebody to remodel this bathroom. I want to extend this all the way over. That way, you know what I'm saying? Big nigga can get in there. So I want to extend this all the way to the wall, pull this up and redo this a little bit. So that's something that I'm looking at doing. So if you do bathrooms, hit me up and let me know. You know what I'm saying? I need this extended over. And then for the other bathroom, I want to get this tub out of here and just get a flat one. That way my granny can get her little, you know, hospital chair or whatever thing in there that she can sit down and shower up. But I want to get it to where this lip isn't there. That way she can get in and out the shower a lot easier. So I need to redo both bathrooms also. That's going to be in the makes and in the plans. But yeah, I'm saying this was my first upgrade right here. This is like the HID equivalent of your bathroom lighting. Ooh. Ooh. We out here bright. We in both bathrooms. Ooh. Ooh. All right, so one little dilemma is right here. Look at that. That sucks.
Vinyl is a lot more. See that's the flex. Yeah, with the vinyl, with heat and the warm, that vinyl is gonna bend a lot more. You know what I mean? It's a lot more. It's gonna be more limp. You know what I mean? So you'll be able to see all that. You didn't see none of this when we had the laminate in. None of us saw it. You know what I mean? a lot thicker and it's going with it, so you can't see it.
Yeah.
But once you put that vinyl in there, you're gonna see it. You know what I mean? So what we'll do is try to grind it down as much as we can, get a level back in here, get a sample of the vinyl and see what we have to play with, and if anything, we're gonna have to do some self-leveling and some major repair. That's job security right there.
So while they're doing that, there's something I gotta do for the first time. I just love the parking situation, man. But yeah, let's get this done for the first time. We gotta do this real quick. So having my FD parked in my own garage, like this shit doesn't even feel real still. Like it's crazy. Like I had made a post and I said that by the end of 2020, I wanted to be buying my first house. And then towards, I want to say like the last couple months of the end of the year, I joked around with the idea. I was like, it'll be tight if I can buy, you know, a FD and park it at my new house. And I had made that one of my goals to accomplish. And right now it's like I have my FD in my garage. You know, it still doesn't feel real right now. Like it's kind of hard to explain this feeling, like the sense of accomplishment, you know, the sense of enjoyment, and then still trying to register everything. Like, yo, I actually bought my FD and I bought my house at the exact same time. It's, man, like y'all already knew my goal. My goal was to buy a house, get my granny out the hood, but you know, getting the FD and you know all the extra stuff that's coming along with it, this is just like bonuses and bonuses on top of blessings and things that, you know, have occurred. Like when you get so used to, like for me, I'm like, man, everything's going too smooth right now. This uphill climb is good, but you know, you're so used to coming from like turmoil and having these trials and tribulations where things go good, the next thing you know they go bad. So for me, I'm still like trying to register, like, man, we've had a good run and nothing has, you know, nothing bad has came about yet. So it's, you know, it's crazy. It's definitely a good feeling, man. We're at the floor store looking for flooring right now. So this is what she's picking out. And my man's right here wants y'all to know in advance that he has to self-level the floor because we found some imperfections and he don't want to be blamed for it being, you know.
You don't want to, you know, spend that extra few dollars and get it all. You want to just kind of get us in there and going, you know what I mean? So let me see. Come here.
He said an extra few dollars. He just told me it'll be like 10 grand to self-level the whole house.
Yeah, the whole house. So look, turn around. So right here, we're not doing it the way we want to do it. We're doing it his way. So if you see any little imperfections, little racetracks, humps and all that for Hot Wheels, that's his call, not our call.
All right, so what's good with y'all? Today is a new day. Y'all might see, you feel me, I got a couple more scratches. So if y'all see the scratches and shit, that's because I got in a fight with my brother last night. Don't care to really get into too much details on it for the people that follow on Instagram, you feel me? Y'all seen the shit, there was a snippet. But yeah, y'all seen kind of what had transpired, but I'm not gonna really get into too much of that on YouTube. But anywho, took the G35. I'm over here at my house and I had to go get the back window replaced because after I beat this nigga ass, he did a whole bitch move and bust my window out. So this morning, got the window replaced for the G35, decided to just take it to my house versus leaving it at my granny house. And yeah, so we here right now, waiting for the contractors and everybody to get here. Woo! FDZ and the Yee 35. And my house is so naked. Alright, so a few hours have passed and my boy Artem's in there right now. He's doing the recess lighting on one of the rooms. My man Artem's already got it all marked up. Hole in there. And then the other ones are right here. So they're about two feet or so away from the corners. That way you don't have the shadows coming down, giving you the weird glare off the corners of the walls. Artem's gonna be spending the night here. Look at this dedication. This is all this man brought to eat. Salami, bread, water, and cheese. Come on now. But yeah, we've been on Artem for, how long we been on you now? How long has it been? How long we been on Artem?
Like 3-4 years.
Installing the dimmer right now. Look at that. Well, y'all can't see it, but it's all super flush. You can't even tell it's light up there. Artem's on to the next room. He actually just finished up this room right here. And these things look freaking sick. So check this out. So this is on the dim settings. Then you have the dimmer right here. And then you be like, God, let there be light. Whoa. It's hella sick. And these ones right here, these are the 5K. So me and her were talking about probably making this something like the gym room, putting weights and everything in here. These are 5K, and the other lights around the house are gonna be 4K, which are a little bit more of the yellowish gold look, but these look sick. It's hella tight. Hella tight. Makes everything look way more modern. All right, but anywho, we're about to be wrapping this up today, and we're gonna be back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's probably gonna be the finale of the house upgrade stuff that we're doing. So tomorrow all the lights should be done, the flooring should be done, and after that we can actually start getting our furniture and everything in here and actually making this thing a home. But yeah, we're gonna be calling this a day or a night. So we got the G and the FD in here. The G is gonna be parked in here for the time being until something else comes. But yeah, this is it. Dang, look at that. Garage closing on the cars. It's official. Till next time, y'all.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.